Fits like a glove. Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. I have scissors and I have a box, so you know what that means. It's going to be an unboxing. But today is going to be a different kind of unboxing. It is an unboxing of something I bought during an auction on Johnny's channel, Cajun Roots Reseller, and I purchased this item from the lovely two hip chicks, Dawn and Mary. Thank you so much, guys. And I just decided I have to unbox this on camera. I've had this box sitting in my house for a while and I didn't touch it. I know that's what she said, but I'm finally ready to open this and film it and then hopefully give this household item that I ordered a try, and we're gonna maybe do a little review, little show and tell. We'll see how that goes, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. If you do, hit the like button, and if you're having a good time on my channel either today or any other time, do hit the subscribe button as well. Okay, so it's not clothing, I can tell you that much. And those of you who were present at the auction, or those of you in the Hell Chat, you already know what this is. And also, if you saw the title, you know what this is. Let's see. Okay, so it's packed very well, very nicely. And we have multiple parts and boxes. So, small white box of this right here. Grading tool. Alright, look at this. Look at this careful packaging of this important part of this item. So in case you're wondering, I purchased a YoNana, or YoNanas? It's a YoNanas from Dawn and Mary, and this is what the main portion of it looks like. Now we need to assemble this so we can actually do what we need to be doing with this item. I don't know if I can do this tonight because I have a small child that's currently sleeping and I don't know how loud this is going to get, but I do want to demonstrate how to use the YoNanas. So packaging. Excellent job, ladies. I'm having a hard time getting stuff out of here, but okay. Alright, this and this, I believe, go together in some fashion. Here we go. I'm assuming this is how it goes. I will look at instructions if there are any. Are there any? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. We got instructions for the YoNanas. I'm honestly a little bit excited for that because, so the purpose of this item is, in case you can tell what the purpose is, it is to turn your frozen bananas into a smoothie or smoothie bowl or like fake ice cream, that sort of thing. I'm pretty sure this is how to use it. Okay, this is how you lock it, this is how you unlock it. Got it. Again, I will be looking at the instructions before actually trying this out because we don't want to get hurt. And we don't want anything to get chopped off that should not get chopped off or smashed or, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, what else do we have in here? There's another thingamabob. Oh, that probably goes in here to, you know, push your banana down, if you will. Apparently it doesn't just do bananas, it also does berries and other fruits. So let's assemble this. Ta-da! Fits like a glove. I'm very excited to have this item in my kitchen, not gonna lie. Okay, we have a recipe guide with healthy recipes. 22 great recipes included. Okay, so cookies and cream, simple YoNanas, coffee chocolate chip, ooh, that sounds really good. Strawberry, cinnamon cocoa, perfectly peach, that sounds really good too. Mint chocolate chip, that sounds really horrible, we're not gonna do that. You can also make no bananas YoNanas. In case you were wondering, I don't know if this is showing up because it's shiny. Melon sherbet. All of this sounds really good, honestly. So I didn't just buy this for the meme, okay? Just so we're clear. I actually plan on using this. But just because of the general look of this item, we had to do an unboxing, and we're also going to have to try it out. Maybe even with my child. Like this happy family right here. How wholesome. I love how it says entertaining. You know, it's the YoNanas is clearly great for entertaining. You can make pies with it, so oh my god, that actually sounds really good. So yeah, we're gonna try this out. I do have some frozen bananas in my freezer because I prepared for this, I trained for this. And we're gonna make sure we clean all the parts before we actually put some bananas in there. And make sure we also read the instructions carefully so that we can have some lovely banana ice cream situation going on. Okay, they do give you a guide for how thawed your bananas should be. So make sure you take them out of the freezer 10 to 15 minutes before you actually put them in here. Which is good to know, because I would not have thought of that. And then, oh my god, the instructions. The instructions, you guys, with pictures. So yeah, I really hope this works. I really hope this is gonna make some delicious banana YoNanas ice cream, fake Dome Whip, whatever you want to call it. So I will probably try this out tomorrow, so I might be looking different, wearing a different shirt and such. But in the meantime, Dawn and Mary, thank you so much for sending this to me. I mean, I purchased it, but, you know, still, I'm very happy I won that auction. There was a little bit of a bidding war going on. Glamour wanted it too. I know Myra wanted it too, but I got the YoNanas. So I will wash these, and then we will try it out together.
The next day.
Okay, friends, welcome back. So you're getting lunch break work from home Veronika right now, and I'm trying to fly under the radar with this little segment of the video because my kid is here and I don't want him to interrupt. But we have our YoNana all set up, all cleaned, all set up, ready to go, hopefully. I read the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. You just shove in your banana and it comes out as a banana ice cream. So we'll see how that goes. I do have some bananas that have been thawed for 10 to 15 minutes, probably a little bit longer at this point, so we'll see how that goes. I also have some other frozen fruit that are somewhat thawed, and we're gonna make a smoothie bowl because it's lunchtime and I haven't really eaten breakfast yet, so I need like a brunchy lunch. We have our instructions, but we're just gonna wing it with the recipe. The one thing that I will say, usually when I make a smoothie or a smoothie bowl, I will include protein powder, so I don't know how that's going to work because normally you shove it all into your blender, but we're gonna try and just sprinkle that in between layers. My thinking is we're gonna start with half a banana, sprinkle some protein, berries, protein, other half of the banana, and then just stir it all up, I guess. We'll find out how this works. So let me set you up down here somewhere so you can actually witness the process, which is what you're all here for, right? Yeah. Okay kids, so it definitely works and it definitely does what it says it does. We have a teeny tiny smoothie bowl. I will say what I didn't account for was that usually when I make smoothie bowls in my regular blender, I mix in some water, some ice cubes, some milk sometimes, or some protein shakes or something like that. So the texture is a little bit softer and you get more out of it other than, you know, more than this tiny little bowl. But that's a good snack size, so I just might need to thaw more fruit and make more later, but it works, it's fun. I feel a little ridiculous preparing a smoothie bowl this way, but thank you Dawn and Mary for this amazing device that's now added to my kitchen repertoire. I'll think of you every time I use it, so take that as you will. So I hope you guys had fun with this slightly different video from different from my usual content, but definitely check out Johnny's auction. He has an auction every Wednesday and also every Sunday, and you can find more amazing products just like the YoNanas over here. And Dawn and Mary, thanks again. Make sure to check out their channel as well. Go subscribe. They're fantastic. They're hilarious. I love them. I love watching them. They have a lot of live shows throughout the week, Tuesdays and Thursdays specifically, and I might see you in their chat at some point soon. All right, guys, have a good rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Cheers!